Welcome to Vintage Car. How you guys doing? Good to see all my followers. Today we have an Alfa Romeo Bertone. It's an Italian car made in 1963 up to 1977. And this car is also one of the classic car. It's a coupe. 105 and 115 series coupe. They look both the same. Two doors. It's an Italian brand. And what else I could tell you about this nice, beautiful car? The basic body shape shared by all model was designed by Giorgetto Guglielmo. Wow, that's such a complicated Italian name. Giorgetto Guglielmo for Bertone. Wow. Sorry for the pronunciation. Wow, I get to see you. Oh, I had to show you this beautiful engine. Look at this cute engine coming from that beautiful Alfa Romeo 2-door coupe. This is a Ferrari engine. It's totally different, but they have the same capacity from the other engine next to it. Look how beautiful and huge. Look at the transmission coming out from this beautiful red car. Wow, I don't know how much this is worth, but this engine is amazing. Alright, still the same one, but different color. This is a light blue. The trunk is open, mean the fuel. This is what is a blue nice car. Same family as well. Wow. You know what this car kind of remind me? The front of it, the Citroen DS. The French car, the front of it. The DS. Actually, matter of fact, it's probably the Citroen DS. That could be it. Well, the next one that it's coming right now, for those who doesn't know, it's a Citroen SM, built in 1970, and they made over 12,000 model on this particular car. So this is definitely a French classic car. It's called Citroen SM. It's a Grand Turismo car. Look at the front light. Look at this sparkling engine. It's a six cylinder. Sorry, it has the same cylinder as the Maserati, pretty much, because it's a huge car. It's a huge berline. So they compare this engine to the Maserati engine. Pretty cool, right? And the weight on this car is 1,450 kilo and up to 220 miles per hour. For a coupe, it's not bad at all, because usually coupe don't go crazy like that, but this is a huge coupe though. It's a nice, I like the color, mustard yellow brownish. I love this car. It's not like a regular Citroen SM, but this one is definitely nice. For a French car, I'm not crazy with French car, but I have to admit, those classic French cars are the best compared to whatever I see nowadays. And this is a V8. Look how cute and nice this car is. Definitely one of the classic. I would give a big thumbs up for this car. Definitely. Now we in a different type of car. It's an American car, 1938 Chevrolet Master Deluxe. Well, this car, it's for the American people, of course. It's a two-door. It's a pickup truck, two-door, semi-two truck, not full, but what we having here, Maserati Ghibli. Wow, 1967 to 1973. Ghibli Maserati. Wow, this is an old classic car as well. I like the hood. I like the symbol, the way how this car look with the color. It's definitely one of it. The presentation is in French, of course, but it's an Italian car. Wow, amazing. For who don't understand French, I'm sorry, but I had to record this beautiful car. And what's next to it? I can't really see it. This it's how you call that, a Cooper S51. So this car is basically a British car, a racing car, and it's made for racing pretty much, as you can see it. And wow, I can even name all the car. If you like it, give 2 thumbs up and see you soon.